Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning.
हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम स्क्वायर 1 to 30 लिखेंगे और सीखेंगे। तो चलिए आइए, लिखिए और सीखिए। 1 का स्क्वायर है 1, 2 का स्क्वायर है 4, स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 इज 9, स्क्वायर ऑफ 4 इज 16, स्क्वायर ऑफ 5 इज 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81, square of 10 is 100. Square of 11 is 121, square of 12 is 144. 13 का स्क्वायर है 169, 14 का स्क्वायर है 196, 15 का स्क्वायर है 225. Square of 16 is 256, square of 17 is 289, square of 18 is 324, square of 19 is 361, square of 20 is 400. Square of 21 is 441, square of 22 is 484, square of 23 is 529, square of 24 is 576, square of 25 is 625, square of 26 is 676, square of 27 is 729, square of 28 is 784, square of 29 is 841, and square of 30 is 900.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.